Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to record your computer's audio using Audacity. Whether it's music, system sounds, or any audio playing on your PC, you'll be able to capture it with ease. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future tech tips. First, we need to enable something called Stereo Mix, which lets Audacity record your system audio directly. Start by closing Audacity if it's open. Then, right-click the sound icon in your taskbar and select Sound Settings. Next, click on More Sound Settings to open the classic sound window. Now, switch to the Recording tab. Right-click anywhere in the empty space and choose Show Disabled Devices. You should see Stereo Mix appear in the list. Right-click it and select Enable. That's it. Next, we need to make sure there's no audio feedback. Right-click on Stereo Mix again and select Properties. Go to the Listen tab and ensure that Listen to this device is unchecked. Click OK to save your settings, and you're ready for the next step. Now, reopen Audacity. Head over to Audio Setup, then Recording Device, and select Stereo Mix from the drop-down menu. And that's it. You're ready to record. Hit the record button, play any audio on your computer, and Audacity will capture it perfectly. And there you have it. That's how you can easily record any computer audio using Audacity. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.